Okay. Oh, see this one. So this is completely different from the mine's topic. So it is a first, that means this topic from the first chapter, that is alkali halides and aryl halides. Okay. సో ఆ టైంలో అయితే మీరు చాలా మంది రిపోర్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు నేను మళ్ళీ చెప్తానని చెప్పాను. సో ఆఫ్ కోర్స్ వీ హ్యావ్ ఎ టైమ్. సో లెట్ us finish this one also. So that is aromatic biomolecular nucleophile substitution reaction. You are very familiar with aryl halides are not involved in a nucleophile substitution reaction. Aryl halides are not involved in a nucleophilic substitution reaction. That is this chlorobenzene. Okay, this chlorobenzene is not involved in nucleophile substitution reactions, either SN1 or SN2, because of the it is stabilized by the resonance. So due to lone pair of electrons on the chlorine, it is stabilized. This one transfer of electrons takes place. So here negative charge pi bond. This one carries a positive charge. So this one, that carbon chlorine single bond becomes a double bond. So that bond becomes a very strong. Okay. So that's why substitution is not possible. Of course, at a high temperature and high pressure, the substitution is possible. Okay, that gives a phenol. First of all, ONA followed by acid workup, you will get the phenol. Okay. Now here, see this one. This chlorobenzene, on reading with NaOH at room temperature, that reaction is not possible. That reaction is not possible. Of course, at a high temperature, it is possible. Now, this compound, okay, this aryl halide contains electron donating groups. Sorry, electron withdrawing groups. This aryl halide contains electron withdrawing group, is involved in a substitution even at room temperature. Okay, aryl halide contains electron withdrawing group, even at room temperature. The Cl minus replaced by the OH. The why? Because so here let us discuss the mechanism of this reaction. Okay. Let us discuss the mechanism of this reaction. How this reaction takes place. Why Cl minus easily replaced by the OH minus? So first of all, this one, a Cl, pi bond. This is withdrawing group, and this one also withdrawing group. Okay. Now here, that withdrawing group, there is a pi conjugation. Of course, there is a pi conjugation. Because of this pi conjugation, because of the withdrawing nature of these two NO2 groups, here positive charge increases. Oh no? This pi electrons transfer to this ring, this NO2. Then this carbon carries a positive charge. Okay, when NO2 group is attached, at ortho position, para position, positive charge is created. So this NO2, this is the ortho carbon, and this is the ortho carbon. This NO2, this is the ortho carbon, this is the para carbon. So at ortho and para position, positive charge is increased. And here, the Cl minus is also withdrawing group. Withdrawing group. Of course, here, this NO2 groups increase more positive charge at this carbon. Okay. Of course, at this carbon also, Because NO2 ki ortho position में 2 carbons में here also positive charge created, here also positive charge created. By transfer of these electrons to the oxygen, next these pi electrons transfer to this one, and this one carries a positive charge. Okay. Next here these electrons transfer to this one, then this carbon carries a positive charge. So at ortho position, para position, positive charge is created, is enhanced. Okay. Now, but in this case, there is a one leaving group. Okay. There is a one leaving group. Cl. Now, OH minus nucleophile readily attacks on this carbon. Why? Because that halogen attached carbon has a more positive charge. So what is the reaction intermediate? This one NO2 and this one NO2, Cl and this one OH. This one carries a negative charge. Why it carries a negative charge? This pi electrons transfer to this carbon, this one carries a negative, this one carries a positive. So that positively charged carbon attacked by the OH minus nucleophile. So then pi bond and pi bond. Now this is the carbanion. This carbanion is the reaction intermediate. This carbanion is the reaction intermediate. It is a very key step of this reaction. It is a rate determining step It is a slow step. Why it is a slow step? This aromatic ring is converted to non-aromatic ring. The aromatic nature of this compound is disturbed by attacking of the OH minus. Okay, so that's it. Now this carbanion is stabilized by the NO2 electron withdrawing group, NO2 electron withdrawing. That's why by the presence of the electron withdrawing groups, this carbanion is more stable, then rate of this slow step is increased. Okay, then substitution successfully takes place. So then here next reformation of the pi bond, leaving of the Cl minus. So resultant product is substitution product. Okay, that's it. So in this case, first of all, that OH minus nucleophile is added by the breaking of this pi bond. Okay, next here leaving elimination takes place. That's why this reaction is also known as addition elimination mechanism. Addition elimination mechanism. Okay, simply it is called as ARSN2. Why it is the ARSN2? Aromatic bimolecular nucleophile substitution. Of course, the substitution on the aromatic ring, the substitution on the aromatic ring, that's why aromatic nucleophile substitution reaction. Why it is a bimolecular? So if coming to the rate of this reaction, rate of this one aryl halide as well as nucleophile OH. This rate of reaction depends on the concentration of the aryl halide and concentration of the base. So, sorry, OH minus nucleophile. So here the power 1. So your molecularity of this reaction is 1 plus 1 2. Molecularity of this reaction is 2. So that's why it is a bimolecular nucleophile substitution. Okay, bimolecular nucleophile substitution. But this reaction takes place on the benzene ring. That's why it is known as an aromatic bimolecular nucleophile substitution reaction. Okay, power of the reactant, sum of the powers of the reactants in a rate equation. Okay, is known as a molecularity. About the molecularity rate equation, we will study in a chemical context. That is physical chemistry. Okay, in the second year. Okay, that will be started very soon. That's it. Okay, bimolecular. So the main point is carbanion is the reaction intermediate. If this carbanion is stable, then reactivity increases. When carbanion is more stable, when electron withdrawing groups are attached to the benzene, that carbanion is more stable, so successfully substitution takes place. Okay, so here the key point is aryl halides having electron withdrawing group are involved in nucleophilic substitution reactions. Okay, aryl halides having electron withdrawing groups are involved in a nucleophilic substitution reaction. This is a very important point and also important topic, this one. Okay, we have this topic also for this weekend. Aryl halides having electron withdrawing group are involved in nucleophilic substitution reaction. So the reactivity of some different compounds, let us discuss. So this aryl halide having NO2 and NO2 and this one also NO2. 3 NO2 groups. This aryl halide 2 NO2 groups, and next I am writing at the para position. Meta. Of course, I am writing here weak withdrawing group, that is CHO, Cl, Cl. If that contains donating group, very less react. That is, this one contains 3 withdrawing groups, so more stable carbanion, then rate of reaction increases. 2 withdrawing groups, 1 withdrawing group, this one also 1 withdrawing group, but CHO is a weak electron withdrawing group than the NO2, and Cl also weak withdrawing group than the CHO. and chlorobenzene contains donating group. When donating groups are present, carbanion is a very less stable. Okay, that's it. It's a very important topic. Okay, main point is aryl halides having electron withdrawing groups are involved in a nucleophile substitution reaction. Okay, so write down this. Yeah. So next, so generally in aliphatic nucleophile substitution reaction, the general SN1 SN2 reaction, which are more reactive, alkyl iodides are more reactive. Next bromide, next chloride, and least alkyl fluoride. Okay. In aliphatic nucleophile substitution reaction, alkyl iodides are more reactive because I minus is a good leaving group. This carbon iodine bond is a weaker bond, so it is readily replaced by the other nucleophile. But in ARSN2, what is the reactivity? So this is a fluorobenzene NO2. Okay, chlorobenzene NO2. This one, bromobenzene NO2. And iodine NO2, which is more reactive. So completely reverse that aryl fluorides are more reactive in ARSN2 reaction. In aliphatic nucleophile substitution reaction, alkyl iodides are more reactive. In this case, why it is a more reactive? Here, when nucleophile, for suppose OH minus attacks on this carbon, there is a pi bond, attacks on this one, this pi electrons transfer to this one. So here fluorine and this one, pi bond, this is NO2 negative charge. Okay. Now in this case, if OH minus, okay, pi electrons transfer to this carbon, OH minus attacks on this positively charged carbon, and adjacent carbon carries a negative charge. This is iodine and this one is the OH and this is NO2. Now, which is a more stable carbanion? Okay, which is a more stable carbanion? In this case, actually in aliphatic nucleophile substitution, SN1 first ND, breaking of the carbon halogen bond is the first step. And in SN2, of course, only single step that involves breaking of the carbon halogen bond. So that's why it is a weaker bond, so readily involved in this in the reaction SN1 or SN2. But in this case, the leaving of the leaving group is not a first step and it is not a rate determining step. And that too, it is a fast step also. But in this case, attacking of the nucleophile is a rate determining step. Attacking of the nucleophile is a rate determining step. Okay, in this step, nucleophile attacks carbanion is produced. Okay, but not breaking of this carbon halogen bond. Okay, of course here, this is a very fast step, breaking of the carbon halogen bond, leaving elimination of the group OH, pi bond, this one is a N. Okay, very fast step. Why it is a very fast step? Because in this step involves regain of aromatic nature. Regain of aromatic nature. It is a non-aromatic compound, aromatic compound. That's why it is the fast. Now in this case, it is more stable carbanion because this fluorine, the fluorine is a strong minus I group. Fluorine is strong minus I group. So more stable carbanion. More stable carbanion. Okay, more stable carbanion. Right, just 10 minutes. More stable carbanion. Okay, now in this case, iodine is a weak minus I group. Weak minus I group. So it is a less stable carbanion. Less stable carbanion. Okay, more stable carbanion, less stable carbanion. So that's why aryl fluorides are more reactive. Okay, that's it. Next, let us discuss some examples. This chlorine and this is the NO2. Here on reading with NaCN, that Cl minus replaced by the Cn, and for suppose NaSH, where SH is a nucleophile, Cl minus replaced by the SH nucleophile. For suppose methoxide ion CH3ONa, it is a nucleophile, so Cl minus replaced by the OCH3. Okay, so next, for suppose of course this one on a hydrolysis, that is converted to COOH and NO2. Okay, next, for suppose here we can like this aqueous sodium carbonate, this one contains NaOH plus H2CO3, aqueous solution of the sodium carbonate. For suppose Cl, NO2, and this is also NO2 and NO2 is a more reactive compound. Okay, more reactive compound. So this one I'm treating with this one, we will get the trinitrophenol is nothing but picric acid. Okay, this is picric acid. Even with this compound on reaction with even water, it is a weak nucleophile. Actually, reaction takes place. Why? Because this compound contains 3 strong electron withdrawing groups. By the presence of the strong electron withdrawing group, rate of reaction increases. So successfully we will get picric acid. Okay, that's it. For suppose another one example. Here in this case, fluorine and this one chlorine. Here NO2 withdrawing group. So in this case, for suppose NaOH, fluorine and chlorine, which one readily replaced in this case, in this particular case, that fluorine is replaced by the nucleophile, because here aryl chlorides are more reactive. Just we discussed that one. Okay, that means here this reaction takes place here. Limited amount of the sodium hydroxide is used. Okay, aryl chlorides are more reactive. Okay, that's it. For suppose next, here Cl, here Cl. In this case, NO2 at the para position. Now this one I am treating with NaSH. Okay, here chlorine, 2 chlorines are there. One chlorine meta, one chlorine ana. Which chlorine is replaced by the NaSH? So generally, the chlorine which at para position or at ortho position readily replaced by the nucleophile. Okay. Why? Because this NO2 withdrawing group. So this withdrawing group cannot increase more positive charge at the metacarbon. This NO2 withdrawing group increase more positive charge at the ortho carbon and at the para carbon. Okay, that means this carbon has a more positive charge. It is readily attacked by the nucleophile. Okay, that's it. Okay, up to this class, your weekend syllabus: amines and aromatic bimolecular nucleophile substitution reaction. Okay, for practice on this topic, go back to alkali halides and aryl halides. Okay, that's it.